Hello guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. In this video, it's a Range Rover video. We are going to do some maintenance on the brake lines. Well, months and months of rain in the spring provided for some water in the oil pit, and that's what we have got to work on. I have to work on the Rover, so the water has to go away here. So after inspecting the brake lines, it was in fact too high to work on from in the oil pit. So I decided to put the car back under the carport, take the right rear wheel off, and do the work on the brake lines where the car stood. So, and here I will try to show you the result of the brake lines painted. With PUR 15, that will keep it from rusting for a lot of years from now. I was so much concentrated on the work that I forgot to film it. So I will have to show it to you this way, but that with the wheel on, but that is a lot more difficult, as you can see. So we are coming to an end of this video, guys. Thank you all for watching. Most of all, have a wonderful day. Find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.